What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to boost your PC speed. Doesn't matter what type of PC you have, low end, mid-range, high end, you can just boost your PC speed. But before this video starts, if you like this video and it helps you out, make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe, and let's get started. So the first thing you can do is right click your taskbar and then click Task Manager. In here, go to Startup, and then whatever you don't need starting up whenever you turn on your computer, just click on it and then click disable. What this is going to do is stop it from automatically running when you turn on your computer, which is going to have less apps running in the background while you're using your computer. So whatever you disable in here is going to make your computer faster. Next thing you're going to want to do is to edit your power plan. To do this, go over and type here to search and then type in edit power plan. And it's going to pop up right here. Click change advanced power settings, and then over here make sure to pick any high performance plan instead of balance or whatever it's automatically set to. So for me, I have something called game turbo and I'm going to choose that option. If you don't have that option, just choose high performance. It's basically the same thing. Next thing you want to do is remove any programs you don't use. So first go to type here to search and then type in add or remove program. And then click the first option. In here, find anything you don't use or you just don't want anymore. For example, this app. Just click uninstall and choose uninstall. After doing this, what this should do is clean some disk space and also not allow it from running in the background anymore. Next thing you can do is delete your temporary files. To do this, go to type here to search and then type in settings. After typing in settings, type in storage and then find delete temporary files. Click temporary files, and then it's going to scan all the temporary files on your computer. Choose whatever you want to delete, and then click remove files. After this, it's going to delete your temporary files and it will speed up your computer. Next thing you're going to want to try is to make sure your Windows is up to date. To do this, go to type here to search and then go to settings. In settings, find update and security. In here, click check for updates, and if it finds any updates, make sure to update. This might take a while to check for updates, so you can just start it and then leave it. But once it finds it, if there's an update, just click download and install. Next thing you can try is upping the virtual RAM. To do this, go to type here to search and then type in system. After typing in system, go to system. And then in here, you're going to want to scroll down and go to advanced system settings. In advanced system settings, find performance. Click settings. And then in here, click advanced. And then click change. The virtual memory can be increased manually. To do this, uncheck this box, and then on your main drive, click custom size. If you have a large drive, you can make it larger, but for me, for example, I'll use 10,000 megabytes, which is about 10 gigabytes. This will use memory from your actual drive, so beware how much you decide to put. After setting it, you just need to restart your PC, and then you'll have more virtual memory. This will not increase your physical amount of memory, but instead your virtual amount. Next, if you're having slow browsing speeds or high ping in video games, what you can try is this video over here, which will be linked in the description. This video will show you how to increase your internet speed, which is most likely the problem. And finally, if nothing in this video helps, then your PC is probably old and needs improvements. What you can do is buy a solid-state drive. This is a replacement for your hard drive and can make your computer run way faster. If that doesn't help, you can also try new RAM. RAM also is temporary storage, and it can also make your computer run way faster. That's the end. Again, if this helps you in any way, make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.